Kondo-san.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
La 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 la. My beautiful cake.
Wolf, are you okay?
Oh, my cake! Oh, luckily I saved it. I almost dropped my beautiful cake. Oh,
Sorry, Wolf.
what are you doing there?
Today is Valentine's Day, so I'm making cards for my loved ones.
It seems you have a lot.
Of course, my mother, my siblings, my friends. I need to make many cards. What about you?
I'm going to eat this lovely and beautiful cake.
Where did that cake come from?
Your mother gave it to me. She baked it for Valentine's Day.
Shouldn't you give her something in return?
What can I give her? My old vest? No. I have a dirty pillow. I washed it last month. Not that one either.
Come with me and let's make cards together.
For your mom?
For all your loved ones.
Well, okay, no problem. But let me put my cake over there first.
Come on, the markers are ready.
La la la. This is for Elephant. He let me use his pool last week. And this is for Mrs. Chicken. For all those wonderful eggs. And this is for Police Officer Lion, who tried so hard to find my lost watch.
Hi, artist. I'm here to help you deliver the card.
Hello, Elephant. Thank you so much. It'll be really difficult for me to distribute them all by myself. Here, you can take them under the tree. We'll hand out the rest when they're done.
Come on, artist. We have so much to do. You need to help me with my cards too.
Could you pass the pink marker?
Give me a minute. I'm almost done. Here, but give it back. I just realized I forgot to color something.
Tra-la-la.
My cards are ready. Yours are so beautiful, artist.
And yours are so colorful. The important thing is to remember our loved ones.
Oh my goodness! Where is it? Where?
What? Where?
Help! My wonderful and delicious cake is not there, artist!
Wait a minute. I think I know where it is.
Where? Tell me. Did you eat it?
Wolf, we were together all day long. How could I eat it? Elephant must have thought it was a gift and probably delivered it by mistake.
Ugh, that mischievous elephant. I bet he ate it.
While we hand out our gifts, we can ask everyone. Let's go see Elephant first.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, my battery's low. Come on, download the game now and take my place.
Happy Valentine's Day, Elephant.
I made this for you, Elephant. Ooh.
Oh, Wolf, I'm very surprised. Thanks a lot.
Did you eat my cake?
Cake? No, I didn't. I thought it was a gift, and I gave it to... Lion, maybe?
Lion? Ha! I'll find him.
Maybe to Zebra.
Zebra?
Or maybe Miss Hedgehog.
Come on! Don't you remember?
I'm sorry, I can't remember.
My beautiful cake!
Come on, Wolf. We'll find your cake. Don't be sad. Happy Valentine's Day, Zebra. We made this for you.
Do you have my cake?
Happy Valentine's Day, chickens. We made this for you.
Happy Valentine's Day, chickens! Do you have my cake?
Happy Valentine's Day, squirrels. These are for you.
Did you eat my cake?
We visited the entire farm. Everyone was so happy.
They were really happy to see us, but I still don't have my cake!
The wolf pretended to smile, but deep down inside he was sad because his cake was still missing. At that moment, Elephant showed up with a basket in his hand.
Hello again. Wolf, I found your cake.
My delicious cake! Yippee! Give it to me!
No. You got it wrong. I remember whom I gave it to. I gave it to Monkey, and he and his brother ate it all.
No!
Don't be sad. Everyone sent you a gift. Eggs from the chickens, milk from the cows, nuts from the squirrels, and a surprise from me. Happy Valentine's Day, Wolf.
A big cake and lots of food! Yippee! Happy Valentine's Day! Woohoo!
Slow down, Wolf. You're going to fall.
Oh! Huh? Got it! Don't be afraid! I got it!
You scared us there.
Our hearts almost stopped.
Hey, guys, help! The wolf trapped us in balloons. Press here, then here on your phone or tablet. Download our game and rescue us. We are waiting for you.
Hey guys! Subscribe to our channel KONDOSAN and watch the most popular fairy tales, cartoons, and nursery rhymes. Don't forget to click the bell for notifications.